In this video, I'll show you how to fix activity in Friends tab option not showing in the settings on Instagram. So if you're trying to enable the Friends tab or just want access to that settings but you're not getting this option, then here's how you can fix and get the option to your Instagram account. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was not to fix activity in Friends tab not showing, the very first thing that you have to do, go ahead and open up the App Store, or if you're using Android phone, then open up the Play Store and then go and search for Instagram here. And once you've searched with this one, go and tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. You might have multiple updates available, so make sure to update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And right after that, just need to get back from here and then force close the Instagram application from the very background and then wait some time and reopen the Instagram application. Now if I go to the profile section here and tap on this three-dot line at the top right, now if I scroll down, you'll get to see the activity in Friends tab is now available, and this is how you actually can fix this problem. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.